Hello guys, I know you've missed me. It hasn't been easy for your baby girl being consistent on this YouTube channel, but I'm going to try my best. I know you need these tutorials, so this is just a quick tutorial on how to make your cake stand. I made this cake stand with just trees I got in the bush, and I made it into this table. Yes, so making it into this table, you can see those sticks just like that. I cut them very well. So now I'm just placing my flowers on top and my mat. This is that table mat, regular one. I know you can see I've changed it, I've upgraded it, like it's looking so different here on the table. So this is just a simple table I'm creating for this tutorial. So this is a cake stand table. So guys, tell me if you learned something in the comment section. If you want my tutorials back to back, let me know in the comment section so that I would come back for you guys. And I love you so much, and I've missed you so much. So this is our stage. That step at the stage now. I just decided to do some flower effect on it. Guys, I know you love it. This is just now these flowers are very easy to get. Like I told you, if you need to buy flowers, I'm your number one plug for beautiful flowers like this that you can use in creating this magical setup for your trad. And I had a lot of people now are saying that the prices for traditional marriage decor is becoming outrageous, that they would like a decoration, they would like a DIY traditional marriage decoration. Yes, you can do it yourself, like I always tell you. So in my next tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to do a mini decoration for yourself. You are on a low budget, you don't want to go and kill yourself, and you don't want Nigerian government to frustrate you. I will teach you how to do your decoration yourself. So with setting up your decor yourself, you may be spending like 100 or 150,000 naira for the setup yourself, compared to when you call a professional to come and set it up for you for 700 to 800 to 1 million. So relax. So see you in my next video. Stay tuned, don't miss my next video.